most of the time I will start my summer night routine with making some dinner, and today I just made a halloumi salad and it was amazing, so I'm just showing you how to make it. I just want to put it out there that obviously all of my summer nights don't look exactly the same, but this is kind of an ideal summer night routine for me. Nej, det var en äcklig avokado. I made more than one portion just so that I'd be able to save it and so Mum could have some, so that's why I'm making quite a lot.
I see what you mean.
And I'm just adding some olive oil and some oregano to make it taste a bit better. And I'm skipping the salt just because the halloumi is really salty. Yeah, I'm just saving what is left. And then I'll just sit down, watch some YouTube, check my social media, maybe reply to some YouTube comments while I'm eating my food. So today I watched some Jane the Virgin. I've just started watching it and I enjoy it. Some shameless self-promo. I was also replying to some Instagram asks that I did that day, checking my Twitter. And then my friends texted me asking if I wanted to go for a night swim, so that is what I did.
I'm doing my hair.
We're gonna take a night dip now. It was warm, medium temperature. And then once I get back, I'll just have a shower, and I have to listen to music in the shower. I just have to. And in the shower, I will just do my skincare routine and sometimes shave if I'm feeling like it. And then once I'm out of the shower, I'll just listen to a podcast just because I love listening to podcasts as well. And then I will put some hair oil in my hair, otherwise it gets really frizzy and dry because I use purple shampoo a lot. And some conditioning spray. And then I'll just moisturize my legs because they get quite dry after I shower. And today my plants really needed some water, so I gave them that. So now once that's done, it is editing time, and whenever I have free time I love to edit and get videos edited for you all, so that is what I'm doing here. then once I've edited, I will always, it's not always in this order, but I will always cuddle with my kittens whenever I'm at my mum's because they are the cutest thing ever. And then later at night, maybe around 8ish, it's normally time for a night snack. I love snacking. So today I just made some nice cream, which is frozen bananas, and you put whatever you want in it. I just put some peanut butter in and a little bit of milk just so it will mix. I used oat milk, by the way. And this tastes so good. It maybe doesn't look good, but it is amazing. And I'll just watch some Netflix or YouTube whilst I'm eating that. And then I will just head back down and brush my teeth. And brush my hair if I haven't already. And I don't do this every night, but I would love to read every night, so that is what I'm doing today. And then I'll just set my alarm for like 10 AM the next morning, and I'll normally fall asleep at like 12, which is kind of bad, but it's summertime, so whatever. Oh, sorry. It is editing time. Editing? Oh my god, typical brain freeze. Oh my god, I just did a brain freeze. Lol, I just did a brain freeze face. Wow, that's so hard to say.